Hi folks, I found this Electrolux 2100 at the Goodwill the other day. Had no price on it, so I asked him how much, and he said, how about $3.99? I said, sold. Really nice machine. It's a Canadian model. Has the brush there and the adjuster for when the machine stops, the lights, the extra wide Electrolux automatic power nozzle with the on-off switch on there. That's my pop tip, ready for the demo. Got some flower pot dirt there, so we'll give her a go. There you have it, the Canadian Electrolux 2100.